video, I'll show you how to process compensation. So what you'll want to do is navigate to the reports area of the software and select compensation reports and process compensation. From here, you'll enter the date range that you would like to pay compensation for. And then you'll go ahead and also select the primary compensation method or the secondary compensation method. That is a condition set up in the setup workers. The purpose of using primary versus secondary compensation methods is so that your workers could maybe get paid service commissions biweekly and retail commissions monthly. From here, you'll click Generate, and then you'll notice this Archive button up at the top in the upper right. What this will do is timestamp it. The reason for the Archive button is that, for example, if 3 years ago I made 45% commission and now I make 50% commission, we do not want the software referencing the current process compensation method. We want it timestamped at the time that the compensation was run. So you'll go ahead and click Archive. And what that will do is it'll save this set. So anytime you put in the same begin date and end date, it's going to generate that same report for you. Okay, so once we've archived it, we can actually view it. So if you view it on the right-hand side by clicking this eye icon, it's going to show you the payroll information, like the name of the worker, their compensation method, any hours or overtime hours they worked, any extra pay or deductions, the total amount, and any tips left in drawer during the duration of the date range. Down here, you'll see the compensation detail. It will note any day that they worked, their services, classes, products, and hours worked in total for those days. And then it will show you the math that it used to get to the final number. In this instance, it'll show you, okay, we started with their gross service, which was $810. We multiplied it by a service scale, which got us 40%, which is $324. Then we started again with the retail sales of $324. We multiplied that by a scale previously set up, which was 12% of that, which is $28.88. And then we asked it to add the results of step 2. So this is step 2. And so when you add 324 plus 28.88, you get 352.88. From here, you can take this and input that number, depending on how it's paid, into another program to do paychecks or email this over, whatever you need to do. You do have two options. You can either do a print summary, which will just give you these exact totals over here on the right, or you can print detail. If you do print summary, like I said, it'll just print these totals. If you do print detail, it'll print every single worker as a separate page. When you do the prints, depending on the device you're on, it will allow you to save those as a PDF in most cases. Okay, and then also if you only wanted to run payroll for certain workers, you could just select specific workers to generate payroll for and then click Generate. Alrighty, and then your total process compensation down here, the period compensation, would end up, it would be all these numbers totaled together in the bottom left, so you know how much your total compensation is for. Thank you for watching and have a great day.